Okay, this is resistance question where we want to calculate the resistance of the piece of wire with the dimensions shown. The issue here is that we want to make sure that we have converted the area to the base unit of meters squared. Now the area is given as 1.5 millimeters squared. And so this is to say 1.5 millimeters times millimeters. And so the conversion here involves changing millimeters to meters twice so that we ends up with a unit of meters squared. So we can say that 1.5 millimeters times millimeters can be multiplied by 1 meter over 1,000 millimeters multiplied by 1 meter over 1,000 millimeters. Now, in the denominator here, millimeters will cancel with millimeters here. Likewise, millimeters cancels with millimeters, and we are left with a unit of meters times meters, where meters times meters equals meters squared. Okay, so here 1,000 equals 10 to the plus 3, and 1 over 1,000 equals 10 to the negative 3. And so what that means is that our area is 1.5 times 10 to the negative 3 times 10 to the negative 3 meters times meters, or 1.5 times 10 to the negative 6 meters squared. Now, if we put that number with the others into the resistance formula, resistance equals rho times length divided by that cross-sectional area. Now, remember, rho here is the resistivity of the material. And for copper, we are given 1.72 times 10 to the negative 8 ohms times meters. We multiply that by the length, which is 500 meters, and divide by the area we just converted to meters squared at 1.5 times 10 to the negative 6 meters squared. Now again, the units is always important, and so we'll find that meters times meters in the numerator cancels with meters times meters in the denominator, whereby we have canceled the meters, left with a unit of ohms. Now resistance in ohms then is the unit that we are looking for. So if we multiply out and divide the numbers given on our calculator, we should be able to come up with 5.73 ohms. Now remember that when I put these numbers into the calculator, for example 1.5 times 10 to the negative 6, this here on your calculator may be an EXP button. The button may have EE written on it or just E. Scientific notation might say we have 1.5 E negative 6. In any event, the numbers have to be put in the calculator correctly in order to come up with the right answer.